Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So what I'm going to discuss in this short video today is the difference between boots or shoes for on the job. Now this is one of the ongoing arguments between people, almost like you have Chevy and Ford. Somebody is going to say boots all the way, no questions asked, and then you're going to have other guys that say shoes or sneakers all the way all day long. So what I'm going to do over the next 30 days is try both. I primarily wear sneakers when I'm at work. For my personal taste, they fit me better. I feel like I'm more nimble in them. I can get around easier. I can climb fences easier, various things that I end up having to do at work. I feel for me and my size and shape, athletic ability, that sneakers work best for me. Now, I'll be honest with you, I wore boots when I very first started. When my first pair wore out, I tried sneakers and I've been with them ever since. I have wanted to try boots again, but I've been a little too cheap to go out and buy a pair just to try them in case I didn't like them or not. So my friends over at Galls have assisted me in this process, and they have sent me a pair of shoes and a pair of boots to review. So what I'm gonna do over the next 30 days is I'm gonna wear shoes for 15 days and I'm gonna wear the boots for 15 days, and I'm gonna do a real world, real life review on these and tell you which I prefer best, the pros and cons to each, and maybe give you an idea if you're getting started in this profession, or maybe you're in the same boat that I was a little while back, that you're just not sure, but you don't wanna go drop 80, 90 bucks on one pair just to try them and maybe you don't like them. So hopefully the information that I'll provide to you in this will be helpful. I'm going to be reviewing the Galls GTAC 8-inch zippered waterproof boot and the Galls Duty Athletic Oxford. Both of these come in a matte black finish, so if you're looking for the dressy type, shiny gloss surface, this particular model doesn't come in it. It does come in a wide fit and a regular fit. I prefer the wide, both in my sneakers and my boot, so those are the ones that I'm going to be trying in this review. Now, if you don't already, follow me on Instagram at MikeyMo50. What I'm gonna do is probably 2 segments, this initial intro video for the fact that we're gonna do this review, and then I'll have a follow-up YouTube video at the end, kind of giving my findings about everything. What I'm going to do is during the course of this whole process is give real-time updates on my Instagram channel through my story and through pictures of things that I'm doing at work, conditions that I'm in. So if you want an in-progress, up-to-date review of this during the entire process, follow me over there and get that content for in between. Now, if you guys already know what you want, you have a preference, and you want to go out and purchase it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the links to both of these in the show notes down below, so you can go over there and find those. That'll take you right over to Galls' website, and you can purchase these for yourself. All right, now if you guys have any feedback or questions about this process, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. What I will do is I'll check those after this first video is posted, and if there is anything specific that you want to see or you want to know about, or the conditions that these 2 different items hold up in, I will incorporate that into the review, and then you can find out the results directly on Instagram as we move along, or again, follow up here at the very end with the final video and the final thoughts on everything. As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching my stuff. You're making this channel blow up. We're about ready to hit 11,000 subscribers, which, by the way, I am going to be doing another giveaway very soon. It's not the official announcement in this video, but to give you a heads up that I am going to do that. I'm going to do one on YouTube and I'm going to do one on Instagram. So make sure you're following me in both places so you're eligible for those, and we'll get that set up here in just the next couple of weeks. So until then, everybody stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.